In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bucket in Google Cloud Storage using the Google Cloud Console. A Google Cloud bucket serves as a container for your files, facilitating the storage and management of data across the cloud platform. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Google Cloud Console and make sure to select the project you are currently working with. It's important to ensure that you're operating under the correct project to avoid any confusion or mistakes later on. On the left side of the console, you'll find a menu. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Storage section and then select Browser. In some cases, this might appear as Cloud Storage leading to buckets, but the destination is the same. This area is where you can oversee your storage buckets and manage their contents. Once you're in the right section, you'll see a button near the top that says Create Bucket. Click on this button, and you'll be taken to a form to set up your new bucket. This is where you'll configure the essential settings for your bucket to ensure it meets your specific needs. First off, you'll need to give your bucket a name. Keep in mind, this name must be globally unique across all Google Cloud Platform projects. It can take some creativity to find a name that hasn't been taken, so be prepared to try a few variations if necessary. Next, you'll be asked to select a location type and location for your bucket. This can be a region, which houses your data within a specific geographic region, a multi-region that spreads it across multiple areas for redundancy, or a dual region option. This choice often depends on where your application is serving its users and can impact latency and data availability. After that, you will need to choose a storage class for your bucket. You have several options here, such as standard, nearline, or cold line, each varying in cost and accessibility. The auto-class option can also be a wise choice if you prefer the system to optimize storage classes automatically based on usage patterns. Access control is another critical aspect. Here, you'll have to decide between uniform or fine-grained access, depending on the level of control you want over individual files within the bucket. Assess whether you want public access or more stringent, private access settings. Finally, explore the protection and data settings, which may include options for retention, encryption, soft deletes, and object holds. While these are optional, setting these up can enhance the security and longevity of your data. Once you've filled out all the settings to your satisfaction, go ahead and click on Create or Create Bucket to finalize the setup. You'll see your new bucket appear in the list, and from there, you can begin uploading files, setting permissions, and more. And there you have it. You've successfully created a bucket in Google Cloud Storage that is ready to use for your projects.